Remember, this is the solution to problem number
11.
11. Right? Problem number 11. Okay, once again, let me explain you. Stock turnover ratio is equal to cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. Cost of goods sold is not given in the problem. So hence what we did is we applied the formula net sales minus gross profit. And the net sales is 10 lakh minus gross profit is 2 lakh. We get 8 lakh as cost of goods sold divided by average inventory is 1 lakh. That is already given in the problem. So that the answer is 8 times. The next is trade receivable turnover ratio is equal to net credit sales divided by average trade receivables. Both the information is available problem, that is 6 lakh and 1 lakh. And the next is trade payable turnover ratio, which is equal to net credit purchases divided by average trade payables. Even these two information are also available in the problem. One is 5 lakh and the other one is 2 lakh 50. Hence the result will be 2 times. And the next is gross profit ratio. In this, the ratio is gross profit divided by net sales. Gross profit is already given in the problem 2 lakh and net sales is also there, that is 10 lakh into 100, it will be 20%. Then fifth is operating ratio, and the formula is cost of goods sold plus operating expenses divided by net sales. And the cost of goods sold is 8 lakh as per working note number 1, and operating expenses is 1 lakh, which is given in the problem. So the resultant will be 90% because it will be 9 lakh divided by 10 lakh into 100. Sorry, here I forgot to mention that is into 100. And the sixth one is net profit ratio, and the formula is net profit divided by net sales into 100. And the net profit is 1 lakh divided by 10 lakh into 100 means it is 10%. So now, moving ahead to the whether problem number 8 was your homework. Just check.
No, sir.
No, sir. 7 was there.
No, sir. No,
Okay, even you can, for today, you can note down 8 as your homework.
Okay, sir.
Now, the next problem is the problem number 9, which has investment turnover ratio, fixed asset turnover ratio, operating profit ratio, and next is dividend ratio and book value per share. Out of this, I will solve today 3 ratios, and remaining 3 ratios we will solve in the next class. Right, before I want to give you some formulas, so for that reason I'm not solving it today. Problem number 9. Let's start. So first, investment turnover ratio. Can you tell me what is the formula for investment turnover ratio? Or you can call it as net assets turnover ratio. One more name to this ratio. Investment turnover ratio is equal to net sales capital employed. Net sales divided by capital employed. Can somebody tell me what is net sales and what is capital employed in this problem?
Net sales is 20 lakhs. Sir.
Net sales is 20 lakhs, sir.
Okay, net
20
sales
lakhs net
is
sales.
20. Okay.
3 lakhs, sir. 3 lakh capital employment, sir.
Yes.
3 lakhs, sir. Capital employment.
No. No, no, no. Now, see here. Capital employed is equal to
Sir, your mic is mute, sir.
हाँ
Yes,
सर
sir.
आपका माइक म्यूट है
ओके शायद अभी सुनाई देगा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, देखिए क्या है वो कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड का जो फॉर्मूला है दैट इज शेयर होल्डर फंड्स प्लस नॉन करंट लायबिलिटी और एक फॉर्मूला आता है दैट इज टोटल असेट्स माइनस करंट लायबिलिटी. अब दोनों लगाएंगे तो भी आंसर वही आएगा. तो मैंने उधर फाइंड आउट किया है दैट हैज कम टू अराउंड 9 लाख रुपीस. तो ये इन्वेस्टमेंट टर्नओवर रेशियो का फॉर्मूला क्या है? नेट सेल्स डिवाइडेड बाय कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड. तो 20 लाख डिवाइडेड बाय 9 लाख होगा तो आएगा 2.22 टाइम्स. ಅಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಚ್ಬೋದು. ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಎನಿ ಒನ್. Next, second one, fixed assets turnover ratio. Fixed assets turnover ratio is equal to net sales divided by fixed assets. Now, the net sales is 20 lakhs. Can somebody tell me what is fixed assets here?
3 lakhs.
It is
8 lakhs, sir.
it
3
is
lakhs. Sir.
8 lakhs.
8 lakhs.
8 lakhs. Now I'll tell you how. Here the formula for fixed asset is
Plant plus
there are totally two fixed assets.
Yes.
One is plant and machinery plus
furniture.
furniture. Now, what is plant and machinery?
3
lakhs.
3 lakhs.
3 lakhs.
5
what is-
lakhs.
5 lakhs. Sir.
Total is 8 lakh. Next. Working capital turnover ratio. Working capital. How much it will be? 20 lakhs divided by 8 lakh?
2.5, sir.
2.5 times.
5 times, sir.
0.50 times. The next is working capital turnover ratio is equal to net sales divided by working capital. What is net sales? 20 lakhs. Whether working capital is given in the problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. Working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. Now, the current assets which is given in the problem
4
is
lakhs.
4 lakh,
4 lakhs. Sir.
right? 4 lakh. And current liabilities.
2 lakh 50,000.
So working capital is 1 lakh 50,000. So here also it should be 1 lakh 50,000. So can somebody tell me what is the value?
13.33, sir.
13.33 times.
13.33 times. .33 times. हो गया? So
sir.
remaining 3 ratios we will learn tomorrow. Okay? Okay, so tomorrow we will meet for the class. Until that time, bye. You are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
we'll
sir.
finish today's class and tomorrow we will continue with the remaining 3 ratios.
Yes, sir.